The internet has changed the way we buy cars. Instead of heading to the dealership first to find out to grab a brochure, it's usually now the last place you go. The bulk of your pre-purchase research is now happening online. And now Citroën is stepping up the game by revolutionizing your purchase experience. It's not just about the ease of buying, but making the entire process online in the comfort of your home.
Citroën has been known for its cars that offer exceptional comfort, and comfort is at the heart of what the brand does. So why should your purchase experience be any different? Be it at the showroom or at the convenience of your home on your smart device, you have the option to explore, configure and buy a new car entirely online.
The Citroën Buy Online program allows customers to buy a car in a few simple steps. Citroën also offers customers the option to connect with product experts who will guide them through the buy online process step by step. While a Citroën dealership may not be next door, it certainly is remotely accessible 24/7 through the Buy Online program. When you head to the Citroën India website, click the Book Now button, which takes you to the high-definition 3D configurator. You get the option to personalize your car to suit your needs. Select from the several color options or add accessories that meet your requirements. You even get the option to add important extras such as extended warranty, annual maintenance packages, and even finance options. With a personalization option for each, find the one that best works for you. Customers also have the option to avail home test drives facilitated by Citroën's Buy Online team. The completely online process ensures transparency at every step of your purchase process. Choose the Citroën Direct option when you hit the Book Now button, and it will take you to the final steps of the purchase. Enter your details and pay the booking amount through the multiple payment options available. And you're done! Your brand new Citroën car is on its way to be delivered to your doorstep.
The online buying option caters to customers in more than 50 cities, and even in those cities that are outside Citroën's current dealer network in India. So whether you are in Gujarat or Uttar Pradesh, Telangana or Punjab, the online buying option will still give you the comfort of choosing your preferred variant, color option, accessories and even extended warranty without having to step outside. The completely configured car will then be delivered directly from Citroën's factory in Thiruvallur, Tamil Nadu to your home with the registration plates in place.
Once you've made the booking online, a dedicated Citroën customer representative will be assigned to you, and they will be your point of contact at all times. The e-sales advisor from Citroën will assist you with finance and insurance processes as well, coordinating with the banks and insurance companies to ensure a smooth buying experience.
And right before the car makes its way to your home, it will undergo a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, cleaning and complete sanitization. And only then a brand new Citroën will be delivered to your doorstep.
Launched in April 2021, Citroën has successfully delivered cars through Buy Online across India, including cities like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Surat, Jaipur, Lucknow. With a 360-degree approach towards comfort, Citroën ensures that convenience isn't just at your doorstep, but available at the swipe of your finger. The brand offers finance, insurance, and even lease options for you to choose from. Citroën also offers a trade-in service that will keep away the hassle of discarding your old vehicle. The Citroën Buy Online program believes in making your ownership experience comfortable from the moment you begin thinking about your next vehicle.